Barber 3.0. All you have to do is come, sit in the first chair, and it will take a 3D scan of your head. An innovation that will change life for the better. It will first take a 3D scan of your head. Next, you'll move to the next chair. In that one, it will cut your hair. But before anything, make sure you sign the contract. Okay, so next it will start cutting your hair according to what you wanted done as you put in the app before coming. When you leave, you'll be so happy with your new and improved haircut. Side effects include loss of vision, hearing, sight, hair, skin, and life.